How to add flag in Facebook profile picture. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile picture, tap on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now over here you can find the option of edit profile, click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. At the top you will find the section for profile picture. Along with that you will find the option of edit, click on it. Click on the option, select profile picture. Now here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. You will find this section for profile frames. Click on the option more. Tap on the option flags. In this page you're gonna find flag of different countries. You can see that. Just scroll down. Now select the flag of the country that you want to add in your profile picture. Just click on it. Flag has been applied to your profile picture. Now you can select the profile picture by tapping on this icon. After you are done, click on the option save. And now you can head back to your profile page. You can see that I have easily added flag in my Facebook profile picture. So this is how you can easily add flag in Facebook profile picture. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.